So this is the complete project of password based door lock system project using 8051 microcontroller. The programming used is MCS51 assembly language programming of Intel 8051. We can also use embedded C programming. So C by using C as a language we can also program. So it's up to our requirements, and we'll just test the circuit. I'm going to give a wrong password now. So it's checking for the password. It's a wrong password and the buzzer is turning on. So access is denied. Now I'm going to give the original password, the real password. So access is granted, and now the motor turned on. So the door is unlocked. This is how the system works.